This is the Forever 21 website. Immediately we have a coupon for 20% off. This is the homepage. Online only up to 80% off markdowns. So they present Hello Kitty on the homepage here and friends from $9.99. We're going to scroll down. There's a big sale going on. $8 tops, $15 sweaters, super affordable, Forever 21 essentials. So they have these cute little crop top hoodie, zip up sweatshirts. So you have leggings for $6. You could get a Christmas tree holiday dress for $12 on the website right now. All these holiday items are 70% off, some are 50% off, a tube top for $6. So you have some great sales. In addition to putting your email address, you can unlock 20% off. On the top, you can shop by category. So there's women, plus and curve, men, shoes and accessories, girls and boys, now trending, and then a sale. So let's go to shop all women. I'm just going to click on tops. And here we have some tops. So you have the Hello Kitty for $29.99. You have this tube top, crop top, denim for $24. $20 for a Hello Kitty tank top. You have some bodysuits. A graphic V-neck sweater for $27. Alrighty, so affordable. You can shop by category. They also have a beauty section, home, cute little Hello Kitty paddle brush for $4.89, eyelash curler for $3.99. All right, now we're gonna scroll down. Actually, we're gonna go on the home page. We're gonna go down to the end. Let's take a look. So free ship, no minimum. Look at that, I just got a pop-up. All right, so about us, here's the company. There's a picture of the Forever 21 headquarters. You can click on social responsibility. We like to focus on careers. Here's the corporate careers. So you can click on submit your resume. So you would have to log in, or you could submit it right here by email. All right, let's go back. Corporate, here's store field careers. Let's see if we have any job descriptions. Search, we can search right here. Okay, so we have a sales associate posted one day ago. Let's click. This is in, where's this? One of these states. We're going to scroll down. I'm just going to look at the age. So it's 16, because most of my students ask, is it 16 or 18? So this is 16. And then as far as salary, there's a bunch of great benefits, discounts, 30 to 60% off, flexible schedule. I don't see hourly rate. So let's go back. Let's take a look at one more. Part-time supervisor in Rochester. All right, any salary? No, I didn't see any. All right, so you can further look. And then lastly, we're going to take a look at, we're going to go back to the homepage. On the homepage, there should be on the bottom some links for social media. Yes, so we're going to YouTube first, and then we'll do Instagram. So we're going to subscribe. They have 67.8K subscribers, 847 videos. And then over here, I like to click on more, take a look at all the other social media accounts, and then go to Instagram. and follow them on Instagram as well. So we're going to scroll down. Here's some recent posts. Thanks for watching. Bye.